Hello, my name is Gavin and welcome to MGT Outdoors. I'm going to show you how I made a DIY GoPro pole that also charges my GoPro at the same time. I started by taking a cut up baseball bat and putting an electrical tape handle on it and zip tying a power bank on it. Now, next what I did was I hooked up my GoPro charger to the power bank and just let it dangle and put my GoPro pole mount on it and made sure it was straight and tightened it up. It was that easy. So when I'm not charging it, it goes into the bat like this. It's out of the way, not much extra cable is there, and it's easy. But when you're charging it, a problem arises. Is that you see how much extra you have here? It dangles around, it's in the way, and it might get caught on stuff. So my solution was just to wrap it around the thing, and that worked fine. Just like that. And to charge it, I have this micro USB that I just plug in here, and it charges the power bank and the GoPro at the same time. So that's all I did. It's a very easy project. It's very nice. It's very comfortable when I'm using it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and I hope I see you in another video.